I only made it onto the couch by like this much. Imagine my first skating fail is just trying to sit down so I can film for you guys. Coucou ma chérie. You don't understand how excited I am today. I have wanted to try roller skating for the longest time, and it's just one of those hobbies that I put off because of the expenditure, and then I was traveling and moving overseas and I didn't need more stuff to carry around with me when I already had enough stuff to try and ship and truck from country to country. But now that I've moved here to Nice, we have the Promenade des Anglais. It's a beautiful long esplanade with a really big, wide cycling track on it and an enormous amount of pavement for pedestrians. So when it's quieter, there's all of this space for me to skate on right by the sea. And with the palm trees and everything, it's just giving that like 70s disco beachside retro aesthetic. And I just kept getting videos like these on my TikTok and my Instagram. Needless to say, my expectations are very, very high. So I have indeed bought myself some roller skates and of course a vintage outfit to go with it. Nothing like a little bit of fashion for some motivation, you know what I'm saying? I quite literally just picked up the package from the pickup location. I have got these secondhand online. Because you know I like shopping secondhand. I don't want to contribute any more than I need to consumerism. So I went for secondhand. Let me get unboxing. Yeah, this is by the German brand Chaya. I had no idea which Chaya skate I was buying. I just bought a Chaya skate online. Turns out it is the Elite range. So I got myself a really nice pair of skates for next to nothing. Hopefully they're in as good a condition as they look like online. They are used, these are not new, but they look in very good condition considering they're in great condition. So here is the skate and her wheels. Apparently these wheels are really good for on the road and for skating outdoors. She's not a dance skate the way she is. I will have to change her stop, but she has got an adjustable stop that I can move up and down so I can practice and learn some dance moves on her, but this will get in the way. And apparently her wheels would be better if they were harder and more flat. See how the edge is all rounded. Apparently I need a like more angular edge on the wheel in order to work my edges when I want to roll my feet to the side to turn or do spins and things. But yeah, she is beautiful. She looks great. It's like she looks, apart from her wheels, which are a bit worn, she looks basically new. Like there's some very little scuffing on her. She's looking gorgeous. I did get a size 39, which is my normal shoe size. I read online that these run true to size, so I hope that is correct. They are very padded, which is one of the reasons that I got them, because as a hypermobile girly, I do tend to roll my ankles a lot. And because they're flexible, I don't tend to hurt myself when I do that. I think rolling my ankle from a skate might be bad compared to just rolling the one I run. I did also get them in this grey with like beige accents. They did have a lot of really colourful ones online, but I wanted to get something that would go with a lot of different outfits because I'm going to be wearing a lot of colourful 60s and 70s inspired outfits with this. I don't normally wear late 60s, early 70s stuff, but for roller skating, I feel like that is just going to be the coolest vibe. I'm going to get some socks and try these on because how sad would I be if they didn't fit? I 100% just stole Val's socks because, let's face it, I don't own socks. I wear heels and stockings. And these are old, but they have got like the 70s vibe to them. You know, they've got little stripes on the top and they're grey as well. Cute. My God, please fit me. I'm gonna get these laced up. We're having a massive heat wave at the moment, so excuse me looking like a sweaty mess. But I did just go out in the very hot sun and have to walk to the location to get these. Didn't even bother to try and make myself look half decent for the camera before unboxing them because I actually wanted to have my genuine reaction on camera, which is why I'm a sweaty mess. I've got to say, I've only got one on so far, but these are incredibly comfortable, which I did hear about this brand. The padding is like makes them fit like a cloud. And some of the other styles that are more like a boot rather than a sneaker can cut in a little bit, even though they're a bit better for artsy because they let your ankle move more. But I feel like someone who hasn't rollerbladed or roller skated since it's about 10 years old, I reckon, probably younger, maybe 8. These feel very stable, actually. We should see what happens when I stand up. Just gonna roll around my kitchen. I heard holding onto your kitchen counter is a really good idea, so let's try that. Yeah, I'm surprisingly stable. Like, I'm definitely holding onto the couch and stuff. But here they are on. Get back a little bit more. I should probably just try and stand up, but here they are on. Oh, they are so cute. They are really stable. Like, I haven't even tried skating in them per se, but they are so stable and they feel really comfortable. Apparently the wheelbase on these is closer together this way, like they're more close this way. A lot of roller skate brands have a wider wheelbase, and apparently it makes it easier to skate on, but it does mean you have to be careful not to fall backwards. You'll fall backwards easier on these because the wheel is more under here than it is in other brands. So I'm going to try skating around my kitchen counter. I know I need to bend my knees way more. Woo! I'm gonna go get my safety gear. Okay, so I did get safety gear, as you can see, and a pink helmet. I won't wear that in my house, but on the road I definitely will. I'm gonna try some bubbles. Look, the inside edges are not great. Woo! Woo! Okay, everything is pink. The reason everything is pink is because I may have based absolutely everything around a vintage item that I bought to wear while skating. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what I based all my safety gear around. It is a 1960s jumpsuit. Oh my gosh. Oh. The girl that sold it to me has sent me a little vintage card with a poodle on it. Oh, that's really cute. She was so lovely. I will put her shop up on the screen. It was via Vinted, but she has a shop and an Instagram account. But like, how cute is that? I cannot wait to rock this with all my gear and like, hello. I'm gonna go put this on. She's giving pretty epic camel toe because I'm a long body gal, but she's got plenty of room in there for me to elongate the crotch. So this is her. I love her. Look at this pattern. How cute is this? Look at that. I gotta put the whole ensemble on. Just wait. It is giving middle-aged roller skating novice. Love it. Stay tuned for all the times that I'm going to eat shit whilst learning how to skate. Okay, I've had to take off my purple suit because it needs a new zip. It keeps popping open while I try to cannonball. And also, I need to fix the camel toe situation because it's not comfortable to skate in. So I've put on just some gym gear and I'm going to be starting a 30-day skating program. Like, I learned to skate in 30 days. My aim is to skate every day for the next 30 days and see how much progress I can make. So if you guys want to see what I get up to, whether I'm any good at this, and how many times I eat shit, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, let me know down below if you're a skater and if you have any tips for me, because obviously I'm not really teaching you anything in this video. I'm a total novice, so I would love any advice. I'm not going to be doing roller derby. I know that's really popular in the vintage community, but I'm a hypermobile girly who subluxates a lot, so I don't want to be dislocating my joints or doing any contact sports, and I already had my teeth knocked out in my lifetime. I don't want to attempt that again. So my aim is to do roller dancing. That's what I'm really excited about. Maybe skate park stuff. I might be willing to do like tricks and things because I'm on my own. we shall see. We shall see where this goes. Definitely jamming. I love the idea of skating and jamming. So, join me for the next 30 days of adventure. I will be posting some things over on my Instagram intermediately, but the next video about skating will be in 30 days once I have done the 30 days of skating. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bisous!